in the Gadisar Lake. We have come to do boating here. Like if you can see the lake and everything, it is really so beautiful. And because I told it is wonderful during the sunset time, we have come here during sunset. This is a chattu boat, which is this swan, and the rates are very, very reasonable actually. So for two, like only we two are there, me and my partner, as usual. And for us, it costed us around 300 for two people, and you're getting this boat for 30 minutes. So I thought it was nice. You can see the birds and everything. I mean, it was so nice. Look there, baby. Look there. Look there. Look there. Come, this side. On my top. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh fuck. What is that? So we are currently staying there right in the Jaisalmer fort and actually see our stay there. So I'll show you. Yeah, you have seen the morning footage. This is the evening footage.
रितु जी मेरासी, विलेज पोस्ट भाडली, फतेहगढ़, जैसलमेर, राजस्थान. टुडे सूर्या होटल इनसाइड द फोर्ट. मिले हैं सत्या जी, धनराज जी फ्रॉम आंध्र प्रदेश. So very llovely, beautiful guys. Nice to meet you.
Same
I'm
here.
a musician today.
Okay.
Love song for you. सजना गुड़ी उड़ावी दे वतन भी डोर. अरे छूटो लागू प्रेम को कहाँ गुड़ी कहाँ डोर. बागे जाई जो धनराज जी बागे जाई जो धनराज जी, नींबू लाई जो चार. अरे बड़ता लाई जो चुनरी तो सत्या जीरो सिंगार. सत्या जी बागों में बैठती फूलों में सोती. सत्या जी बागों में बैठती फूलों में सोती. जब याद आई धनराज जी की सपनों में रोती. आजा रे आजा रे आजा रे आजा सजना. जल से पतला कौन है? जल से पतला एक ज्ञान है, पाप भूमि से भारी. और क्रोध अगन से तेज है, कलंक का जल से कारी. बालम जी मारा मेरे सायब जी मारा, जिरी मार बारी सैनी. बालम जी मारा जिरी मार बारी सैनी.
I woke up so early to watch the sunrise, so I should see this. Oh my God.
బా ఈ అమ్మ పొద్దున పూట ఎంత అందంగా ఎలా ఉందిరా బాబు. ఇది బ్రష్ చేయకుండా అది కూడా.
This is the Rajasthani thali. I've asked him that this is the entire veg thing only, and it's called some different kinds of things are there. We have got some 2 curries here, 1 fry. I don't know what sabji is that. This is some fried rice kind of thing or a pulao, and some salad, so many rotis and papad of course, and curd. Roti खाते हैं? रोटी बटर तंदूरी रोटी है. It's got so much flavor. It's on the spicy side. And I can see use of so much daniyalu. And 2 spoons also they get. Nice. Jare. ये राजस्थानी ईगल हूँ ना, everywhere they'll come. That's nice. Do try it because when you come here, you have to explore the local food, no? Why did we come here if we want to eat pancakes? And this homestay is literally in the fort of Jaisalmer. And Jaisalmer fort is one of the only, one of the very few living forts in the world. So this place is very beautiful, and people have been staying outside and watching the fort. But no, we are inside the fort and watching people from outside all the cities and everything. This is my room. This is Lakeview room, and so. So you must think, this is a Chatu room, what is all? Why did you choose this? One reason though, because it is on the Jaisalmer fort. And second reason, now you'll see, and most of the hotels here are very budget friendly. Like you can get as low as 300, 200 also in dorms, whatever it might be. But you should always be careful of the washroom. So I chose a very good room with the washroom, which is very pretty as well. And now I'll show this thing in two parts, okay? So first is ऐसा छोटा वाला है ना, तो इधर जाके ऐसा बैठा है. Then you'll think, oh my god, what is that? I cannot see your face. And then you get the and then the view is like this. बड़ा सा बढ़िया view. And then from here we have watched sunrise in the morning, if you remember. What an amazing sunrise it was. And idhar se you can see so many pigeons doing. And I mean doing many things. And then this was the top of the fort, edge of the top. We are in the center of the fort, you can see. And one night video I'll also keep, in which you can see me from see this hotel from there, from the Surya Wines. What is that? Jaisalmer Wines. So Jaisalmer fort ante Raja Jaisal katecharmata. So fort, real fort. చూడండి, ఇక్కడి నుంచి రాజు చూసేవాడు ఎవరు వస్తున్నారు అని. రాణి ఏడ్ చేస్తుంది గురు అనుకునేవాడు. సో పదండి, explore. More exploring we'll do. So now we are here in the Chowk area. So take the autos, whichever you want to go till the top. Now we were walking to every place, but here you can get the autos. So this is the Chowk area. ना कल वाली लस्सी दे दो, कल वाली लस्सी. So, हम उस तरफ रह रहे, तो इस वाली इसके बाद उस तरफ रह रहे, इसके पीछे रह रहे. It's all so beautiful from here. It's like golden wala city है ना, पूरा it's all made of sandstone because of this desert है ना, सब बहुत सारा sand है. तो क्या करे, has brought him his famous Kanchan Shri wala lassi again. कल एक्सप्लोर किया है, अच्छा लगा तो वापस लेके आ रही हूँ. I loved it yesterday only, so अभी थोड़ा कोई कुछ नहीं है, I'll enjoy it. So this is like the walk-in market we have been walking. So if you see, there are table runners, that bed runners, or is that carpets and bed sheets and everything, all the local artisans that they made with their own hands. And this one is, I am thinking, इसको इधर से पहनते हैं, and then it is all of that. So it's very nice, very unique pieces you got, everything handmade stuff and everything. These things they'll come and sell in Andhra Vada exhibitions. They'll sell, no, these only. But if you come here, you can get best stuff. So इसको देख के आओ. We are going to get ready like them, like a proper Rajasthani couple. कुड़ी कुड़ी है. Then ये पहनेंगे. उन्होंने बोला कि 150 का है. I don't know what's wrong with my boyfriend. I really don't know. He's like everything कर देंगे यार. क्या कुछ भी वो बोलेगी 150 है. And he's like अगर ये लोगे ना, you don't have to take the कपड़ा and everything and wait नहीं पड़ेगा in the flight, which is true. But let's wear राजस्थानी कपड़ा in राजस्थान only, no? ठीक है, चलो पहनते. So हम गुड्डा गुड्डी बन गए और and we have taken a picture as well, which like the costs are like for each attire it was 150 rupees and फिर जितना pictures लेंगे उतना पैसा and फिर हमने एक ही लिया है but उस दोनों में हम दोनों we put the attires no and we now the time is to watch the see the photos. So अभी देखते हैं. पहले तुम देख लो फिर अभी मैं देखती हूँ. अभी अच्छा सीधा नहीं है तुम. अच्छा ठीक है वही मैं देख लूंगी. It's nice only actually. It's nice. It's a nice experience. क्या? छोटे वाला साइज? नहीं ये वाला साइज ठीक है. अच्छा. So right now we have come outside of the fort to explore the market which is outside. Like maybe I am thinking the things will cost a little bit lower here because they might have to pay the rent there. Here also they'll pay the rent. I don't know. So yeah. So I thought we'll just explore. We have come here also because my Attegaru, which is my soon to be Attegaru, which is my boyfriend's mother, she told she wants bandhani saris. I think she has googled it everything, huh? So let's go and get a bandhani sari for her. I don't know. My mom never asked me for anything. So and I never take anything for her. So at least we have got one spoiled Atteya. So let's go.
To get bandhani set.
शॉप पे रहना तेल सा?
No.
आप अपना शॉप के बारे में बोलिए.
हाँ.
आप आगे उसके लिए थैंक यू.
कौन सा शॉप का नाम सब बोलिए. निर्मल शॉप है जैसलमेर फोर्ट के बाहर.
फोर्ट के बाहर. नो टूरिस्ट एरिया, नो कमीशन, नो गाइड.
यस.
एंड आई एम हियर फ्रॉम सिंस 1980.
वाओ नाइस. कूल. ठीक है चलो. बहुत अच्छा सा साड़ी मिला था हमको. बांधनी क्लॉथ का एक और एक दूसरे क्लॉथ लिए थे. ये वाला
देखो पैटर्न कितना मस्त है.
दोनों मम्मियों के लिए लिए थे.
हाँ.
तो ओके डन. चलो पैकअप.
चलो बाय. We just realized कि my boyfriend is very famous in here in Jaisalmer. उसका famous sweet shopping is very sweet, no? So we have got Dhanraj Ranmal Bhatia, most famous sweet from them, and that is like most famous in Rajasthan as well. So like we have got the sweets. One is the Gotwa laddu, and this is like Gaver. अच्छा है.
हाँ हमारा जैसा लड्डू जैसा नहीं है. It's very new.
A little sugar rush ayi untadi.
Too sweet for me to take it. Malai is too sweet for me. Only water soul is the perfect sweet for me. We asked the soda guy also and he said okay आप मतलब पी सकता है. पहली बार पी रहा है क्या ऐसा. And we were said like हाँ आप कभी उतना ट्राई नहीं किया था. Then he was like सर घूमेगा. Then we were like
सर घूमना चाहिए
हम
बट हेडेक नहीं आना चाहिए.
देखेंगे, पता नहीं क्या होगा, देख लेंगे. तो
बर्थडे
we ordered-
भाई कल.
ठीक है, बर्थडे मतलब रात तक होगा मोस्ट
शायद.
प्रोबेबली. आफ्टर दैट नहीं होगा, नहीं तो सिंपल हो जाएंगे. और क्या उसमें क्या?
और क्या?
कैसा वीडियो बना रहे हो? कहाँ से आया हो?
हम लोग आंध्रा से आए.
केरला से आए.
आंध्रा आंध्रा.
बांग पिया नहीं, कैसा है?
नहीं पिया नहीं, पियेंगे.
हाँ, मजा आएगा फुल आपको आज. आनंद आएगा.
आनंद आएगा. अच्छा अच्छा.
आप ब्लॉगर हो?
हाँ ब्लॉगर है हम.
सही में?
हाँ.
मेरे को तो नहीं लगता है.
क्यों नहीं लगता है आपको? नहीं क्यों नहीं लगता बोलो.
तो बात है.
क्यों नहीं लगता बोलो. क्यों नहीं लगता बोलो.
ब्लॉगर होते नहीं है आप ब्लॉगिंग करते हो? सही में करते हो?
हाँ.
फूड ब्लॉगिंग करते हो?
नहीं नहीं ट्रैवल ब्लॉग. अच्छा पतला है इसलिए क्या क्यों नहीं लगता बोलो.
ब्लॉगर कम आता है ना.
कम आते हैं. अच्छा. ओके नाविल ड्रिंक. असली वाला बांग जब हम लोग पिए थे, हमारा फ्रेंड्स इन बैंगलोर दे मिक्स गंदा मिक्स किया एकदम. तो पीते. अच्छा है. वेरी टेस्टी. वेरी टेस्टी. कुछ भी बोलो.
डिलीशियस.
दिल्ली से.
डिलीशियस.
डिलीशियस.
हाँ, ऐसे मत करो यार. आप कितने मजे ले रहे हो मेरे यार.
आप भी तो मजे ले रहे हो ना.
हम तो मजे की चीज पिलाते थे, मजे लेते हैं. अभी नहीं आएगा, 1.5 घंटे बाद आएगा.
ओ 1.5 घंटे.
तो ये हमारा ये है.
ये तो गूगल छोड़ो.
ये गूगल नहीं, यूट्यूब.
YouTube.
इंस्टाग्राम बताओ.
हाँ.
इंस्टाग्राम देखो आप. इंस्टाग्राम तो एकदम
तूफान मचा रखा है हमने इंस्टाग्राम.
पानी तूफान है. हम लोग क्या सोच रहे हैं.
फेमस है यार इसको.
हाँ, क्या सोचे.
भैया ये लेने के लिए बोल रहे हैं हमको. ये मतलब पूरा ब्लर करना पड़ेगा मेरे को वीडियो में.
कर रहे हैं ना कि संडे मंडे ट्यूसडे वेडनेसडे हर डे की सबसे अलग अलग.
ठीक है चलो, नहीं ले रहे हम.
तो इतना फिर वो बेचारे रिकॉर्डिंग भी करें ना, फिर नहीं. अब इसमें तो कहते हैं हाँ ले रहे हैं, बाकी मत ले रहे हैं.
हाँ ठीक है, ले रहे हैं हम, ले रहे हैं, बिल्कुल ले रहे हैं, बिल्कुल ले रहे हैं.
So yeah, I am 26 years young today. So if you want to know my birthday, it's October 30th. And so yeah, I'm very happy about that. And I'm celebrating it like we always wish to, in a nice place, away from everyone, just us both, enjoying it with random strangers in a beautiful location like this. It's like a dream come true. I think my cake is all nicely plated here, and I'm too excited, and I wanted to invite all of the people here. I feel happy
याद रहेगा.
हाँ, क्योंकि आप फोर्ट का है तो याद रहेंगे हम आपको. क्या बोले,
फोर्ट के अंदर के भैया ने दिया है.
बर्थडे प्रेजेंट.
हैप्पी बर्थडे.
थैंक यू. सही लगा भैया. थैंक यू अनिल जी, थैंक यू वेरी मच. मिलके खुश हो गए हम.
बहुत खुश हो गए.
हाँ चलो, ओके.
आप जैसे लोग आते रहे तो यो अच्छा लगता है.
ओके, सो दैट्स द एंड ऑफ द व्लॉग.
Yeah, that's the end of the vlog here in Jaisalmer. See you in desert.
ओके चलो, बाय बाय बोलिए.
बाय बाय. जनी टेक केयर.
थैंक यू.
Yeah.
थैंक यू.
So signing off.
Bye.